In this video, we are going to discuss about how to configure a device using the Services tab in the Packet Tracer practically.
Basically here the Services tab is available in the server which is PT server. So when you double click on this PT server 0, you can see here that clearly you have the Services tab available under server 0, and under Services tab you see this 12 server options available. The first one is HTTP server, and you can see the status of the HTTP server which is in the on state, and also about the file manager details, what are the files available and what are the files which can be deleted and which can be edited here. So you can also enter a new file from the file manager, or else you can go back and import file from the desktop which is available to add it under the HTTP server options. So coming to DHCP server, you can see the DHCP server service is off, so that you can manually enter the pool name, default gateway, start IP address, subnet mask, etc. A number of users can use that. You can see everything is assigned to 0.0.0.0 because we did not assign any IP address default gateway to this server. So coming to DHCP version 6, you can see the interface available is fast Ethernet 0, and the DHCP v6 service is off here, so that you can on it, or else you can off and you can manually configure the IP addresses. So coming to TFTP, which is file transfer protocol service server, it is also is on presently, and you can see these are the bin files available on your desktop. You can remove these files based on your requirements. So coming to DNS server, and the DNS server service is also off here, and you can on whenever you require it. Coming to Syslog, Syslog is on, so you can have the log details about the information of Syslog here. Coming to AAA accounting server, then the service is off here, so that the radius port is 1645, and also you can see the details about the network configuration, the client name, the client IP, secret, server type, everything is available, so that you can configure them manually. Coming to NTP service, so NTP service is on, and you can see this is about the dates as well as with the time, and you can see the authentication is disabled here. You can enable based on the requirement here. So coming to mail services, so STMP service is on, and POP service also is on here. So you can give the domain name and set that domain, and also user setup basis using user and password. Coming to FTP, the service is on, and you can see the variable options available for uploading the file, and also you can give read, write as well as delete, rename and list of files available. You can add, save and remove these files. So coming to the file about .bin, you can see, and you can basis this requirements you can delete them. So coming to IOE, the service is off presently. It is a registration server service. You can on it basis the requirement. Coming to VM management, the VM management is on, so basis this you can give the information about the VMs, or you can create cluster based on this VM management. And this is about the services tab under the server, so that basis this you can configure the service based on this services tab.